In this tutorial, we want to break down when the right time is to actually use a formula in SmartSuite. So if that's of interest, stick around and let's get into it. If you're new to using formulas in database tools like SmartSuite, this can seem a little intimidating at first. So let's go ahead and break down when the right time to use a formula is. Now, ultimately, inside of formulas in SmartSuite, we want to leverage the formula field to calculate an output that we don't already have somewhere inside of our solution. Think of it as redundant data entry elimination. If there's a place where you already have the information living inside of your solution, you don't want to just use a formula to call that data again. Instead, we want to use formulas to alter data that we already have somewhere to derive a different output. I'm going to reference the same example that we used when we were doing the Intro to Formulas tutorial for this academy. So let's go ahead and drop into our inventory tracking solution, and I'm on my purchase orders table. By the way, this is a template that's available for download. If you want to explore formulas and see exactly what I'm working with right here, check out the inventory tracking template for yourself and work with me step by step. So here I am inside of here, and we're looking at this total price formula field. So we have two pieces of information, and we can use those two pieces of information to derive what we're looking for, which is the total price. In each instance here, in every single instance of a purchase order, we have a quantity, that how many of the thing was purchased on this particular PO or purchase order. You can see in many cases that's just one, but in some cases we have 20 t-shirts, we have 2 winter coats. So the quantity is the first piece of information we already have. Now the second piece of information actually doesn't live in our purchase orders app. It lives in our products. So if we flip into our products, we can see that we have a nice little field over here called price. So we know what the price of everything we sell is. Slim jeans, $99. Ultra slim jeans, $119. T-shirt, almost $20. You get the idea. This is the price that I need to multiply by the quantity sold for each purchase order to derive the total. So again, because this information already lives in other places inside of SmartSuite, we don't need to use any other field types other than a formula. And it's our goal to take these existing pieces of information, multiply them together where appropriate, and derive the outcome, which is the total value for each of these purchase orders. So because the outcome is going to live in the purchase orders, that's where we build the formula. And again, what we're doing is we're referencing those two elements. The quantity element here, the quantity field, and we're also looking to bring back the price that exists inside of the product that was sold on every single one of these purchase orders. So in order to access that, we use what is called dot notation to access the product relationship, and then we're looking for the price field inside of the product that's linked here. So we're multiplying the quantity times the price of the product. That is a perfect example of when to use a formula field. We did not previously have this output, that is the total price. It did not exist anywhere in the solution, but we had the pieces that we needed to calculate it, and that is exactly when you want to use a formula inside of SmartSuite. I know we went fast here and we looked at this example. There are a lot more examples inside of formulas. We'll be doing some more trainings on these inside of the Academy, so be sure to check those out, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video. And until then, we'll see you in the next training.